Last week on Simply RVing, the floor in the Airstream was installed. This week we tackle the bed.
Whoa! No bueno, Luis.
After removing the futon-style bed from 1982 that was in the Airstream, we decided that it was better if we made a bed out of 2x4s and plywood.
Hey, Luis, falling down from here, Luis.
Just hold it. I don't care. I just want to screw this in. Once I put a leg in or two, it'll be easier. You gonna hold that steady or what?
Well, Luis, it's not easy.
So you told me, but...
Well, you didn't put the brace on this side first.
Well, I have to put it in somewhere first. Once I put in one screw, I'll put just one screw for now.
Listening to me, Luis?
Nope.
I said use the white one for the...
Nope.
We're building a twin-size bed here. Average, a regular twin-size, not a bunk-size bed. And you can have two regular twin-size beds here because you see that it just comes out a little bit. But because I'm putting a curtain here, when the curtain is open, it's going to rest here and cover that up anyway. So if we would have wanted two twin-size beds here, we would have made this bed a lot lower, and then we would be able to put another bed, add another bed to this plywood, and then we could have two beds here. You can have two children sleeping here. You can actually have 4 kids because a twin-sized bed, it's bigger than a regular bunk bed. You can have 2 small children sleeping in one bed and 2 sleeping in the other bed. So this is a perfect model of Airstream if you have 4 kids and a couple can sleep in the front in the futon. So I think it's the perfect model for that. Plus you have a full-size bathroom in the back and you have lots of closets and storage space. It's holding me.
Of course it is.
After creating the bed frame with 2x4s, Louis cut a sheet of plywood he will install to the bed frame. Then he drills holes in the plywood for ventilation. And after that goes the paint.
Good, and this is that leftover flat paint that I ended up not liking, but it serves its purpose here where we can use it up for things like this.
Well, eventually you're gonna have to use something more durable in the front.
Yeah.
The legs and stuff. Because this does not hide a lot of stuff. And then we can put the plywood on top.
Awesome. We're gonna screw it in the plywood?
I'll just put a couple of screws so it doesn't come off.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think this is fine.
And we're pretty much done with the floors. He finished the molding on this side. And then he's going to finish the molding around the bottom on this side. He's already done with the back. And he finished the bed, which looks amazing. So I just have to wait for him to screw the bed in, and he did a coat of paint on it. And I think that's fine. I can always paint this when he's gone. Right now my priority is to get this place cleaned up so he can finish that, and then I can get some stuff done. We can put the bed and the mattress on here and start getting things ready. I'm going to cut the wood for this. So I'm going to start clearing out the place so we have some space to work. We're going to both be over here today. I'm going to show you by doing the bed this way how much storage versus how much storage he had before. This is how much storage Christian has now. Look at all the storage that he has down here. Look at that. That is massive, massive. That's because we moved the furnace, but we had duct for the furnace here. It wasn't very big, but there was no need to have none of that in here. So as you can see, he's got places for lots of multiple baskets maybe some crates down here. I thought it was great that he had storage down there, but now that I've actually removed the 2 sofas, I think it was the best thing for us because we have way more storage now than we did. We were limited before in the amount of storage that we had, but doing our own bed like this, furniture, and I'm sure in the front also when we put in the sofa, it's going to give us way more storage than we even thought possible. So when you are considering keeping the old furniture, keep in mind that a lot of furniture nowadays is very inexpensive, and you can buy it and just bolt it down to the floor, and it's going to save you a lot more in space because you can put tons of baskets or crates underneath the furniture, and I bet you'll get a lot more storage.
After Louis painted the new bed frame, I decided to use the leftover paint to paint the inside of the closets.
Paint it inside this cabinet because I like it to be nice and white and clean. I'm going to clean this cabinet inside and I want to paint it with abandoned ship. He was doing this and I don't know what happened. He abandoned ship. But anyway, ta-da! I got that painted. And I got that closet. I got that closet. I got that closet. The top was done. This one was done. And this one was done. I still have to do this one, and I have to do these and these, and the big one here is the next one I'm going to do now. That's going to be the last thing I'm going to do today for painting is going to be this cabinet because I am so tired. I'm exhausted. I still got a lot of painting still to do here. I still have to paint these top cabinets, the one in the front. A lot of this stuff is empty, so like this just has blankets. This I could do during the week, you know, come in here, do a little bit, do a little bit. The main thing was to get all the cabinets where his clothes are and get all of that in there. I'm glad that it's finally done. And now I put all of this stuff back there. It's just a mess here. I got everything out of the closet, all of his stuff out of the closet. I gotta get this place organized because maybe that's why Louis abandoned ship. Because he's kind of working in this area and I kind of took over, so that might be the reason why he's sitting on the couch twiddling his thumbs on the Facebook and the social media stuff. So, yeah. I think I have to clean up. Come on, Muffin. Come on, Muffin. Come on. Come on, Muffin. Yep. This place is rocking work on the Airstream. We've been working on this Airstream for, this is going to be our 3rd week nonstop. And we've been doing gardening stuff too. Oh, there's a mess in there. Come on, Muffin. Louis is finally finishing the floor. Whoa, Muffin, you okay? Come on. And that's the bed. How's it coming out?
It's coming.
After the bed was made, the vents were open and I used my cordless garden blower to blow out any leaves, dirt, and dust, and even spiders from the vents in order to reattach the covers after I cleaned them.
Ta-da! Now it looks like this. Are you done putting all the 4 screws in there? Nice. Alright, we're going to do the next one, Louis. I blew it with the blower yesterday, and I just have to get up there and get some things that didn't come out with the blower. I have to do it from the outside. I gotta clean those handles. I didn't clean those handles, but that's okay. Oh, Louis, you don't have a white one?
This is what it was here.
Oh, because it goes inside? I'm gonna have to touch that up with paint eventually. I could take them out, paint them. Good job, Louis. It looks so nice and clean up there. That air conditioner is a sore thumb now. I don't know why though they put that like right over that wall there. It just makes it hard to take the cover off. It's stupid that they did that, but that's what they did.
So what do you think, Lydia?
I love it, Louis. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe. No.
Hey guys, don't forget to pick up your pet emergency sticker for your RV. The link is in the description box below.